you spend on internalizing these great truths, your incompletions melt down. You are living Advaita. More and more learning, more and more internalizing, more and more completion. Understand, other than the spiritual solution, there is no solution. You yourself will see the depths of you. As on now, you yourself may not see the depths of you. Only when you sit in the Vakyartha Sadas, even you will see your own depth.
கடந்த 4 வருஷத்துக்கு முன்னே நான் ஒரு சில நண்பர்களை நம்பி நான் ஒரு 20 லட்ச ரூபா என்னையே அறியாமல் நான் அவங்களுக்காக கொடுத்துட்டேன் நான். ஆனால் இந்த நிமிஷம் வரல, அது எனக்கு வரல. ஆனால் சாமிக்கிட்ட ஒவ்வொரு தடவையும் நான் போய் அழுது கேட்பேன். நான் கிட்டத்தட்ட பல முறை கேட்டிருக்கிறேன் நான் சாமிகிட்ட, சாமி எனக்கு இந்த 20 லட்ச ரூபா வரலைங்களே சாமி, என்னுடைய வாழ்க்கையே முடிஞ்சிடும் போல இருக்குதுங்களே சாமி, அழுவேன் நான். அப்போ ஒவ்வொரு தடவையும் சாமி சொல்லுவார், நான் இருக்கிறேன், நீ கவலைப்படாத போ, நான் இருக்கிறேன், நீ கவலைப்படாத போ. ஒவ்வொரு தடவையும் அதை தான் சொல்லுவார். ஆனால் சாமி நான் இருக்கிறேன்னு சொன்னது எனக்கு அன்றைக்கி புரியல நான். ஆனால் அவர் எனக்கு ஒரு நல்ல புதுசாக ஒரு தொழிலையும் ஆரம்பித்து கொடுத்து, அதில் என்னை பல மடங்காக உயர்த்தி பல லட்சத்துக்கு அதிபதியாகிட்டார். ஆனால் இன்னும் கூடிய சீக்கிரம் நான் என்னை சாமி கண்டிப்பாக என்னை கோடீஸ்வரனா கண்டிப்பாக ஆக்கியே தீருவார் அவர். அதில் என்னுடைய நம்பிக்கை ஆழமாக இருக்குது. அதனால் சாமியோட வார்த்தைகளுக்கு அர்த்தமும் நான் இருக்கிறேன்னு அந்த வார்த்தைக்கு ஆழமாக இதுதான் அர்த்தன்றது எனக்கு இப்போ தான் தெளிவாக புரிஞ்சுதுங்க சாமி. நித்யானந்தம்.
கருட வாகனா நாராயணா 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 நித்யானந்தா நாராயணா நித்யானந்தா நாராயணா நித்யானந்தா நாராயணா நித்யானந்தா நாராயணா கருட வாகனா நாராயணா கருட வாகனா நாராயணா கருட வாகனா நாராயணா கருட வாகனா நாராயணா ஆனந்தேஸ்வர 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 நாராயணா. What I feel is, if you just do individually and you run out of questions, you'll move on to another topic. But you'll still have some doubts in you which you want to look at or you avoid knowing. So those questions will be asked by others, because what I feel is everyone is you and you are everyone.
After doing Vakyartha Sadas and contemplating on it, and when I spoke what I felt, and when there is some group around me helping out me to realize the truth, then when I started living what I realized, that became my experience. Means now I know, now if nobody is listening around me, there is something in me I have to shift, and they will start listening.
By doing Vakyartha Sadas, we get the clarity, and with that clarity we will be able to do completion and live the truth.
From my experience, like few days ago, I had a fight with my friend about something. So actually, I got irritated. But after that, I felt that this irritation is not going to take me anywhere. Like which I learned from Vakya says that nothing can violate me. So why am I getting irritated? So out of that cognition, when I told him, I'm sorry, I'm completing that. I got irritated and I found out that it doesn't expand me. So I'm completing with you. So in this, it's because of Vakya says that I even found out that nothing can violate me. So, but if you just go complete with them, you'll not know the actual like context of why you even felt that completion. So what I feel is Vakya says itself is like can take you. It's almost equal to completion. Like Vakya says itself is completion.
I read Swamiji's Guaranteed Solutions book before I came to Gurukul. Like whenever I had time, I used to just scroll through the book. The understanding which I had at that time is completely different from the understanding which I have now. So whenever those times I used to listen to satsang and read Swamiji's book, I used to feel what is this? Swamiji's statements are contradicting what he is speaking itself. But now I understand that it is not that Swamiji's statements are contradicting his own things, but whenever Swamiji speaks something, he speaks for the listeners. He's not just telling something. So the space from which the listeners are there, he's telling each thing to them.
We get lots of ideas and clicks, techniques given by Swamiji every day. Until unless we talk about it, it will not stay in our mind. Our mind is like it keeps flowing, it gets distracted. There's so many new things keep coming, keep going. So the truths which is given to us, for it to stay, we have to express it, we have to talk about it, and if there is any doubt, we can get clarity. So this every day doing this Vakyartha Sadas will help us to keep the idea fresh into our mind so that we can apply it whenever it is required.
Understanding I have is Swamiji always beautifully says Smaranat Muktihi. So just by remembrance of the truth is liberation. So that is what Swamiji is giving to us every morning through satsang. Is he's liberating us in so many different ways, making us come out of our powerlessness and incompletions. So nothing better than Vakyartha Sadas, because that is another huge platform where I am constantly reminded. The Smarana is happening to me continuously, because only forgetfulness is something which causes me to forget my real nature, the truth, the reality of consciousness, and all the truths which need to become part of me.
What I feel is when Swamiji said that each Mahant should lead his own Vakyartha Sadas with their team lead, with the Sangha that they have, I really feel Swamiji is taking the teamly process to the next level, because it not only made me internalize the truths, it made me feel the Advaita with every single person in the Vakyartha Sadas. I remember Swamiji had given the teamly process where we sit with each other, connect, share the incompletions, sit and create each other's reality. And in this Vakyartha Sadas, we create each other's ultimate reality of realizing our true self. And in that process, in a very short time, we just literally feel the experience of living Advaita with each other. When each Mahant is leading that Vakyartha Sadas with their Kotaris, with their Thanedars, it's the best way to ensure that each of us are literally living Swamiji's teachings, and that's what Swamiji expects of a Mahant, ensuring that their teamly is living Advaita and radiating Swamiji's truths.